Lesson number 22. Neighboring numbers on each side. Neighboring numbers. The numbers just before and just after. To learn this, we must first sort the numbers in order on a line at a fixed distance. First, let's see how the number line. A mark is made for the number 0 at the left side of a line. From there, counting forward towards the right, the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are marked. Such are written at equal distance. Now, let's decide or identify the just before and just after number from the example. Remember that for any number, the neighbor on the left is one less and neighbor on the right is one more. Now, look at the number line of number 23. On this, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, there are such numbers. 22 is the number immediately before 23 and 24 is the number immediately after. Now look at the number line 15. 14 is the number neighbor left of 15 and 16 is the number neighbor right of 15. Now you have understood that how to decide the number immediately before and immediately after. Now we write the numbers that comes immediately before and immediately after the empty boxes. 53 is the immediately before number 54 and 55 is the immediately after number. 78 is the immediately before number of 79 and 80 is the immediately after number. 39 is the immediately before number of 40 and 41 is the immediately after number of 40. 36 is the immediately before number of 37 and 38 is the immediately after number of 37. Like this, 62, 61 and 63, 99, 98 and 100, 30, 29 and 31, 68, 67 and 69, 32, 31 and 33.